So we look at the next case study on Renault Group, and it falls under the circular economy product life extension. And this primarily looks at how Renault optimizes the life cycle of an electric vehicle battery. The source link is as shown. So under this case study, we start off to look at the background, and then we look at what makes it a circular economy, and then we finish off with the key benefits for employing circular economy. So in terms of background of this case study, now Renault is a pioneer in European electric vehicle development. And this case study is about highlighting how Renault have implemented rental of electric vehicle batteries for full life cycle control. So in terms of how this fits within the circular economy model, we're going to look at three main stages which are applied within this circular economy process. So there are three stages. In terms of stage one, it's about optimizing the battery life, which includes monitoring to maximize the lifespan of the batteries, and it's about repurposing all the defective batteries within the life cycle. Stage two looks at the battery reuse off the road, which includes the storing of energy from renewable energy sources, and also around 75% of the capacity of the usage of the batteries for energy storage. Stage three of this circular economy process looks at the battery recycling. It's about recycling process, which is embedded with certain partners, and how to recover certain key materials like lithium and copper. So the key benefits for Renault Group for implementing the circular economy is about extending the battery life, which minimizes waste. Also, it's about supporting the integration of renewable energy systems by providing storage solutions. And finally, it's also about minimizing the environmental impacts, such as recycling the valuable materials like copper and lithium. So in summary, Renault Group implementing the circular economy model shows the opportunity for implementing a comprehensive sustainability approach. It's about enhancing the lifetime of EV batteries and contributing to environmental conservation. So now we're going to look at a number of case studies which implement the circular economy business models. So the first case study is for a company called BASF, and the circular economy business model is called the circular supply chain. And this is about a biomass balance approach where BASF company can blend organic waste with fossil-based materials based on the customer demand. And this is all part of decarbonizing the overall product which is shown. So another case study, we're going to start off with looking at the background, and then we explore why this is a circular economy, and then we finish off with the benefits of this circular economy case study and a circular economy business model. So in terms of background, so BASF, pioneered this biomass balance approach, and it's about blending renewable raw materials in the chemical industry with the fossil-based materials depending on the customer demand, and the overall aim is to minimize the carbon content of the overall product. Now, this innovative process involves combining renewable materials such as biogas derived from organic waste, as an example, as raw materials in the chemical production. So what makes this circular is about replacing a fossil-based raw material with renewable feedstock. The calculation process is certified, and so the proportion of the bio-based materials which is replacing the fossil-based raw material is integrated into a circular economy model. So as a recap for the benefits of this circular economy model, it's about achieving significant resource savings and reducing CO2 emissions. So for example, BASF achieved around 67% reduction in CO2 emissions compared to conventional methods. Also, the overall quality of the overall product is not minimized because the bio-based product achieves the same level of properties compared to the traditional methods. So in summary, this BASF biomass balance method shows a significant shift into sustainable production within the chemical industry. This case study has shown that renewable raw materials can be embedded within a circular economy to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, but at the same time maintaining the overall quality of the product. So the source of this case study is the BASF website, which has a lot of information.